Belren News.
Ndikuribo achikidhiwa madi kwana budhi ka Belren News ukotebera mubigo wa chipenchiranga mpo Felicia Mdau weneka dhibala na musi ba muhasho wa zwabashumi na chimiswa cha chikwama cha ndinda kombo cha usha mishumo UIF bana foro lenelo tamanga msumburo wa inobege unarichikorebere salole foro lekuguma machironga laptano mumburo mulwane wa foro ilo ndu isa chimero batu ni kabote batu bana bakono shigera chimero ya UIF arifinyambezine yi na pomafimane mabasa ndu vapalaka UIF. Good evening, Mr. Mabasa. How are you?
I'm doing very well, and how are you?
I'm okay. Today we are here at Malamulele Crossing. Why are we here?
We are here at Malamulele Crossing Mall as Department of Employment and Labor, UIF Division, to give UIF services to our client.
Why would our people benefit from this campaign?
Our people will benefit because as UIF, the bus is going from one place to another place. For instance, yesterday the bus was at Chiramba Mall, whereby we're giving people services instead of going to Hoyando Labor Center. So the issue of UIF bus traveling around our province, it benefits our people because instead of our people going to where the labor center are situated, they can able to access the service at their villages where they are actually residing. So out of these services, majority of our people, our contributor to this fund of UIF, they are benefiting. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Perhaps what services are people seeking regarding today's campaign?
People are coming here to apply for unemployment benefit. Mm-hmm. Some that are coming here to apply for maternity benefit. Some that are coming here to apply parental benefit. Some that are coming here to apply for death benefit. So people are coming here also to apply for illness benefit, as those are services which are offered by UIF.
Mm-hmm. What can they bring?
Documents which our client must bring when they come for you for the application is ID. The rest of the documents from the employer, it is our responsibility to engage with the employer and to acquire the documents which are required.
What is the last message that you can convey to our people out there regarding this campaign?
I'm encouraging to our people, specifically in the Limpopo region, that they must actually come where there's a bus, because that's where we're giving the government services freely to them. Because if government have given us the bus, people must actually able to utilize that opportunity, because the bus is going to villages and where the bus has never been. So that is an opportunity for our client to utilize that opportunity, because instead of them utilizing taxi to go to the labor center, bus is coming to where they are residing or nearest where they are residing so that they can able to access our service. I think that is an opportunity for the client to access the government services near where they are residing.
Mr. Mabasa, thank you so much for your time.
We highly appreciate it, ma'am. We are looking forward to meet our clients so that we can provide these UIF services to our people so that they can able to access this government service free of charge without any problem. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Kezo batareri bothe ba Belren News yo banyembetsone ya budi ni mtenda cross zote zwe ba famalogana na UIF na services za hone uzwifa uvakane mpo Felicia ndi kazi ya badau watere kredi ba poretanga chipwanchi dawo.
Are you a survivalist entrepreneur in the Vemba district? Belren Brands is here to back your hustle. Get a loan from just 500 rands up to 4,000 rands designed to grow your business. All you need is 6 months of bank statements, 6 months of sales records, your South African ID, and proof of residence. Apply today on WhatsApp 07201958843. Belren Brands, empowering entrepreneurs, building communities. Terms and conditions apply.